Hi, my name is Fang Yu Lim. Most of my previous projects involved the use of R to test statistic models on data, such as one where I investigated the most common causes behind aviation accidents. In this project, I conducted text analysis on the comments made about each accident and applied statistic models to the data to find the common causes or there's a reoccurring pattern. I discovered that both mechanical failure and human error played an equally important role. An accident typically involves a pilot's action, an engine failure, or when the vehicle is approaching a runway. The future steps of this project will be to apply different models such as k-nearest neighbors to have better fitting results and look at time series models. A second project investigated if gender inequality existed in the STEM fields, with a focus on the aerospace or aviation field. We were interested in finding the causes behind gender inequality and possibly how it started. Our results were displayed on a Shiny Web app as a final product. In this project, we examined 150 articles that talked about gender inequality in STEM, with a subset of 30 articles specifically talking about gender inequality in aerospace or aviation. Text analysis was conducted, which included a sentiment analysis, and results were displayed in the form of word clouds and graphs. The second part of this project involves 6 years' worth of data from the National Survey of College Graduate dataset. This is a biennial survey of college graduates residing in the United States, with key variables including job satisfaction, occupation information, salary, and etc. We examined the progression of different aspects such as salary and job satisfaction based on gender throughout the years. We found that there were just fewer females entering the STEM fields. Even though there has been an increase in numbers in most recent years, there has, however, not have been a big change in wage distributions. Females were primarily making up of the salary group earning less than $50,000 a year, while males dominate the rest, which is more than $50,000 a year. This indicated that there were just more males in executive or management positions, or it could mean that they were just given a higher pay. For text analysis, the articles have in general a fairly negative sentiment related. Some of the highest frequency words included school and peers, which suggested that academics, upwards trajectory, and lack of social support are related to females not entering STEM in the first place. The most common negative terms of subject were harassment, bias, and stereotype. An interesting finding when focusing on the aerospace subset was that we found people were concerned about the lack of support and troubles with either entering management positions or dealing with people on the executive level. Connection that can be made as social rejection and exclusion may be playing a part in how women navigate STEM spaces. Our conclusion was that there needs to be an encouragement for women to enter STEM fields, and that unbalanced female to male ratio could be a potential base problem as to why we are seeing gender inequality. The third project is database management oriented. It was conducted on the Yelp dataset, which is a subset of the businesses, the reviews, and user data. We used MySQL to organize and store the data, ran queries that was displayed in user interface created using Qt Designer, and connected the database and interface using Python coding. On the interface, users were able to filter businesses based on factors such as the location, category, and attribute. Users were also allowed to log into their account, have a summary of their information, which included their names and the number of votes gained on the reviews, a summary of their friends, the latest reviews of their friends, and the friends of their friends. We also had an analysis section where users could choose to order their friends' reviews based on the average star, price range, and popularity. Based on their choice, the reviews were organized and a polarity of each review was given. These projects allowed the exploration of statistical programming, analysis of different data forms, and related skills such as database management. Thank you.